Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Motorola Moto Z, for the first you have to go to your calendar, and as you can see mine is here and it is Google Calendar, but it looks the same on every calendar application that you can download from the Google Play Store. And right now you have to click on this marker, pick the one of these type of event, so I'll go with this one. Click on the name to input your new name. I will just click on the click and type hard reset, and now you can just set up other things like location. You can add people, change the color, or just set up the time. If you just do everything, click on the save, and as you can see, this is how you can add the event to your calendar. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.